So what is up, YouTube? Today's question I'm going to answer is, can you make money online with absolutely zero investment? The answer to that is yes, you absolutely can. Now there are a few people out there, shocking as it may be, and this will shock you as well, is that they do not want you to know the truth. Okay? And when these people say that you cannot make money online or start in that specific business without investing huge amounts of money or buying something, then they are lying, because they are usually the ones trying to sell you on a course or some certain software that doesn't really help you at all. The only thing you need to do is find out how to do it and put in the work. That's all you need to do. Okay, so you can avoid those snake oil selling salesmen and their fake pitches. Okay, now there's also one more thing I want to tell you, that you guys need to look at, basically just look at the YouTube platform or wherever you are getting information about making money online, and you need to avoid the shiny object syndrome. Okay, if you guys are familiar with the grass is greener on the other side, it's usually because there is a lot of poop on that side. Now you have to take this type of analogy, which I'll be making now, is that if you want to learn how to swim, you will not go looking up on a website or a YouTube video and asking or searching how to swim. You are going to go to your local public pool and learn how to swim. You need to practice and not just theorize the whole thing. You need to put it in practice, because you need to learn it yourself. Now I'm going to show you 5 ways, okay, to make money or start making money online, even if it's just $1 a day, but it's a start. Okay, and these ways are proven and have been proven over and over and over to make money online for people. It's a rinse and repeat method. Okay, so you can start small and work your way up to something else, because I know some of you may want to start an affiliate marketing business, if you want to call it that, or an affiliate marketing website, or want to sell products on Amazon or whatever. Now you may not have the money for it, but you can start with these methods I will show you today, because you can do it even if you have a phone or if you have a desktop. Okay, and you can start absolutely free. Now you have already invested money and time online. If you have a phone, if you have a desktop, electricity, you pay electricity, you've paid your Wi-Fi, you've already invested enough, even with your time as well. So all you need to do is put in the work. Okay, and just remember that the only person stopping you from actually reaching these goals is yourself. Okay, so 5 ways that you can actually earn money online. Now the first way is basically the most hated way, and the most overused one on the YouTube platform. Okay, which is basically almost every video, make money online video, will show these types of sites, is a GPT sites, doing surveys, watching videos, earning small amounts of money over time. Okay, for example, like these surveys, you can see here, this one pays 20 cents, this guy out 14 cents, this one paid out 32 cents. And the reality of these sites is that you cannot really make that much money a day. There's no guarantee you will actually make $10 a day from these sites, unless you put in maybe 8 hours. Okay, and if you do not have a job and you are really looking for a way to earn money online, then these types of sites may actually be for you to start out with, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And also, some of these sites are just plain blatant scams and basically rip people off for slave labor. So think twice before actually going into some of these sites. There are legit ones like Timebucks and Swagbucks and those guys, but still they do not really offer any type of consistent income. Now the second method is basically typing. Okay, this is websites like Textbroker, Textroyal, and Content Gather. They offer freelancers the opportunity to work for other people. Okay, some of these websites only take people from certain countries, others take from all over the world. Now you get paid per word or per line. Now these websites always have tons and tons of jobs, and there's also tests that you need to go through before you get approved to work on them, and you need to be able to keep up good quality to be able to stay working for them, otherwise you'll be removed from the platform. Now, as you can see here, what the range goes for the quality of work and the grade of writer that you are, and you can actually make some good money on these sites. Now these sites, basically the customers, they probably want product descriptions which can be 60 words or 100 words or something like that, and then others want blog posts for 600 words, sometimes 1,000 words. So it's really, it's a limitless earning potential. Okay, as long as you have the time to put in to do the work, then you can actually go and make a really good amount of money on a daily basis. Another way to do this, to make money online, is basically becoming a transcriber. Okay, I've covered some of this on my channel in the past. Okay, so transcriptionists make about 30 cents per minute, okay, per audio minute. So as you can see, this is Rev, which is a very well-known site, and 30 cents per minute may not sound much, okay, but if you, for example, if an audio is about say 10 minutes, that's $3 for you right there in your pocket. Okay, you probably spend about half an hour transcribing it. Okay, so looking at these types of sites, you can also earn a really good income online. Okay, now another way to make money online is basically starting a website. Now you can start a website for absolutely free, guys. Okay, now look at this. You can really talk about anything online on your website. It's yours. People search for it. Okay, but you need to do a little research beforehand. So the other day I was looking at getting a dog for my daughter, which is about 3 months ago. And what I searched for was small dogs for kids. Okay, but this search term also showed up, small dogs, okay, for kids. And people talk about this. Okay, so there's websites that actually go over why this specific dog, what dog, why this specific dog. And then I also searched small dogs that don't shed. Okay, if you have knowledge about this type of information, okay, and you love dogs, then like articles in writing these articles will come naturally to you. Okay, you don't have to do a lot of research on these articles. And some of these people actually started with free websites. Like this blog.homesalive, okay, .ca, which is Canada, is from a free web hosting company. Now if you want free web hosting, it's just one Google search away. And these people are ranking on Google with free websites. blog.cheapism.com, that's a free domain name. Okay, it's a free website. blog.myolly.com. Okay, I didn't go and look for this specifically, they only showed up as I searched them. Okay, so basically what happens with this is you start the site and you run Google ads on it, or you sell affiliate products on the site. Okay, that's all you do, and this is how you make money. Now, this could be an ad or affiliate product that people may be interested in buying, and that's how you start. You do not need expensive tools, click funnels, page builders, all of that stuff to start affiliate marketing. Now another way to make money online, which is actually really proven over and over because you're watching this video now, is actually starting a YouTube channel. Now you'd actually be surprised how many people on YouTube copy each other. If you look at Kevin David's videos, just search this whole title, you will see that there is another video, or maybe 100 others like that, and they basically copy each other. Now another way to do this, you don't have to go and do that. You don't have to speak on YouTube. All you have to do is record your screen. Now, okay, this is a game for Android phone. It's a game, it's 8 ball, about pool, snooker, whatever you guys call it. And all these guys do is play online, record their screen, post it to YouTube. How to put 5 balls in 8 ball pool on the break like a boss. 8 ball pool, level 9 to 5, the highest in the world. Look at the views, 6.3 million views, 9.4 million views. There was this other channel I saw, I think it's this one. I'm not too sure, but it actually went up in like 1 month. Just posting videos of 8 ball pool gameplay. Not sure if it's this specific channel. Yes, this specific channel, or what? Yes, this specific channel. 1 month ago, it posted his first video, 8 ball pool gameplay, 8 ball pool mini clip, 8 ball pool gameplay, 8 ball pool trick shots, 8 ball pool Berlin, mini clip, 8 ball pool. Now you can see that the amount of views this guy is getting. So in 1 month, he actually got 10,500 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure he's already went over his 4,000 hours watch time. So now he's 1 month away from being monetized on YouTube, because once you reach your requirements for AdSense application, there are a few other things that you need to do. You need to actually have a Google AdSense account, but that's easy. You can just sign up with your free hosting. Okay, for Google AdSense you need a website, you need 2-factor authentication as well, and then you need to apply for AdSense. It'll take about 30 days, 1 month. Then Google, what YouTube will basically do is they'll check all of your videos on your channel. If you have more videos, it will take almost a full month. If you have less videos like this guy, it may take even 2 weeks. And if there's nothing in here that basically breaks their terms of service or violates their terms of service, okay, then you will get approved, and they'll start running ads on your videos, and you will earn ad revenue from it. Now these types of channels, the ad revenue is pretty low, but you can get views really fast. Okay, and you can get anywhere from up to $20 a day, maybe to even $500 a day. So this guy, I want to go over to Social Blade. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna go back to his home page here. Okay, I'm just gonna copy his channel tag. I'm gonna go over to Social Blade. I actually need to insert the extension, add the extension to my browser. Yes, I'm gonna go search this specific channel in Social Blade. Paste his channel tag there. So if he's been accepted in the AdSense program, they will. Okay, so he has been accepted. As you can see, he's still a small channel, but bigger than mine, this current channel, and he's making $5 a day minimum, $3 a day minimum, $4 a day minimum. But Social Blade is just an estimate, maybe half of this, between $5 and $76. The middle amount, you can maybe say he earned about maybe $25 for that day. Okay, and that's just for playing game on his phone. All of this takes 1 hour. All of us have got a phone. We play games on our phone. You can get the software to record your screen, edit your videos for your phone on the App Store for free for Android or iOS. Okay. So guys, that is all I have for you today. I just want to show you that you can make money online with actually no investment. You don't need to buy courses from fake gurus and people who tell you to sign up to Legendary Marketer or whatever, or buy this software, that software. You don't need it. All you need to do is this. And if you want to get started with this YouTube method, I'll link a video down below, or just press the I button on the top right screen of your corner, or the top right corner of your screen, and I'll leave a video there which where I showed you exactly how to just do the copy text titles thing on YouTube and succeed. Okay, so I hope this video actually helps you guys, and you guys need to remember that you need to take action. If you do not take action, none of this can happen. The only person stopping you is actually you. So you need to say no to yourself. Do not make any excuses. Okay, so until next time guys, if you have not yet done so, please subscribe, like this video and share, and goodbye.